What if your smartphone could actually reduce your stress? Imagine a digital life where notifications don't trigger anxiety and every screen interaction leaves you feeling refreshed. Join me for a unique guided meditation that will unlock the secret to a calmer, more mindful relationship with your tech. Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Take a slow, gentle breath in and exhale softly. Let the noise of your day settle for a moment. Allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to relax, and your eyes to soften or close. Feel your whole body giving itself permission to loosen. Now, picture your smartphone resting in front of you. No notifications, no pressure, just stillness. For these few minutes, it's simply an object, not a demand, not a distraction. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine a warm golden glow forming around the phone. This light is calm, comforting. It gently dissolves the stress attached to your digital life. With every breath, watch this warm glow expand across your hands, your arms, your chest, until it fills your whole body with a soft, steady peace. Now, imagine your phone's screen transforming. Simple, clean, uncluttered, no chaos, no overwhelm, just clarity. Slowly imagine picking up the phone in your mind. Your touch is calm. Your movements are slow and intentional, not rushed, not reactive. You're in control now. Feel how empowering that is. Now, visualize a small reset mind button appearing on the screen. It glows softly. Press it gently in your imagination. As you do, feel a cool wave of relief washing through your mind like fresh air, clearing out old tension. Inhale deeply and let it go. Imagine a version of yourself who uses your phone with balance, with clarity, with purpose. See that version of you right now, calm, steady, in control. And understand this calm isn't someday, it's already happening inside you in this moment. Take one final slow breath. Let it fill your chest and exhale all the digital weight you've been carrying. When you're ready, gently move your fingers, roll your shoulders, and open your eyes. You are refreshed, you are lighter, and your digital life is yours again. Thank you for meditating with Guided Meditation Voyage. Carry this calm with you into every screen, every tap, every moment.